This is the latest update now. Yeah, now it is 6:05. Same date, same date.
Since Friday, September 20th, a rare snowstorm has hit the southern regions of the African continent.
Hey.
In Lesotho and South Africa, snowdrifts reached up to 2 meters in places. The most significant snowfall occurred in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Free State, and Gauteng in South Africa, causing serious disruptions on the roads.
Nice a bit of snow, eh?
Snowdrifts brought traffic to a standstill, including on one of South Africa's main highways, the N3, between Johannesburg and Durban.
Dit is nou omtrent 2 dae.
Hundreds of vehicles were trapped, including a school bus full of children.
6:00 die oggend, 21ste September. Sneeu het lekker geval in die aand. Sit nog hoe lekker diep is die sneeu al. Enkel diepte. Kan nie eens meer loop nie.
Nottingham Road gotten a lot heavier.
Many drivers spent the night in their cars as emergency services worked through the night.
This is not funny, guys. We are dying here. It's not.
Distributing blankets and food to those affected. Unfortunately, one person died after spending the night in a snow trap at sub-zero temperatures.
With the graders, we had N36X 56.8.
Driver Mohammed Ghulam, who was on the highway during the snowstorm with his children,
6X 57.0 north and south.
reported that they spent over 13 hours in their car with no food left and no way to escape without rescue. Buses traveling between provinces were stuck at gas stations for about 7 hours. While trucks parked on the roadside since Friday left some drivers without food and water for over 24 hours.
We had N36X 56.8.
South Africa's border control announced the closure of 3 border crossings with the Kingdom of Lesotho.
Snow that is left behind, so they continue doing that work. But it's interesting how much.
As current conditions pose a significant danger. In the capital, Maseru, children who went to school found themselves trapped by the snow for several days.
Picked up with snow, cars are advised to drive back. It's not safe. There's no traction. There's too.
Returning home was extremely dangerous, and the children were in a dire situation without food, water, bedding, or essentials. As temperatures dropped, it became increasingly difficult for them to stay warm. Snow in South Africa typically falls during the winter months, from June to August, and is most common in mountainous areas. However, even here, heavy snowstorms are rare, occurring only a few times a year, and usually, snowfall is not significant enough to cause serious consequences or damage. The current snowfall is extremely unusual because, first, it is very late, occurring at the end of September, and second, the amount of snow is abnormal, exceeding the usual levels even in the middle of winter. South African Meteorological Service forecaster Lutando Massimini described this event as an extreme case. An explanation for why such anomalies occur on our planet can be found in the materials of the Global Crisis Forum. The responsibility